Hi, I'm Allie from Haven's Kitchen, and today we're going to be making a 5-minute coconutty simmered flounder. I love this recipe for a few different reasons. First of all, you can't really beat a 5-minute dinner, but also I love the way that it showcases our coconut cashew sauce. All of the flavor, lemongrass, ginger, macroot lime leaves, they're just packed into this sauce. And when you simmer flounder just for a couple of minutes in that with a little bit of coconut milk, you end up with this really delicious sauce that's really hard for home cooks to make when they, don't have access to ingredients like that. We're going to be serving our fish over a plate of beautifully cooked white rice. If this recipe sounds like something you'd like to make, be sure to subscribe to see this and all of our future cooking videos. All right, let's get started. We're not going to be using a lot for this recipe. It's a pretty simple one. We just want to make sure that the pan that we're using has sides because we're going to be simmering the fish in a combination of our coconut cashew sauce and some coconut milk. So it's going to be pretty saucy and liquidy, so you do want to have sides on your pan. Flounder is a really thin, flaky fish, so it cooks super, super quickly. For thicker fish, you're going to want to keep it in that simmering liquid for a little longer. So other ingredients we're going to be using other than our sauce, coconut milk, and flounder are just some fresh cilantro, some scallions, and some lime to finish it off. So there you have it, our 5-minute coconutty simmered flounder. I just basically gently lifted the fish out of the pan onto a bed of rice, ladled it with some of the delicious coconut cashew sauce, and I'm gonna just garnish with either a little bit more cilantro, more scallion, and I always like a squeeze of lime at the end. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like it and subscribe to see more future recipe videos. For the full recipe and a textable shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, cook happy.